Do you want the channels in your Discord server to have nice aesthetic emojis and look really nice? Well, it's harder than most people think. In fact, getting these characters in your channel names can be tricky. Also, before we start the video, only about 5% of you are actually subscribed, so please consider subscribing. Okay, so I'm just gonna get straight into the video. There's two ways you can get the emojis in your channel names and make it look really nice. First way is as you can see here with this bar in between. Now, if you try to use your keyboard and put the bar symbol in it, it won't actually work. So to get this, you have to use a special Unicode character. In my 3 years on Discord, I spent a long time trying to find these special characters and the ones that look the neatest, and this is the best by far in my opinion. To get this, all you have to do is join my Discord server. The link will be on the screen, and in the media's channel, the pinned message will actually have these two channel names in it. So yeah, if you want it, just join my Discord server, dsc.gg/rjain, and then check the media channel, go up to the pinned messages, and right over here, you'll see these, which can be copy pasted really easily. So now you have a dot and you have this straight line. What else can you do to improve the aesthetic in your Discord server? Well, I actually have 3 more things for you. The first one is the category name. Just like channels, categories can look really nice. As you can see here, we have a special character that allows us to combine this all in one, and it just looks like a dividing line. Again, I'll have this in the pin message in my Discord server. You can even put these bars inside of the roles. I personally don't like it that way, but it can surely add to your server aesthetic, and it can look nice in the role badges. The second way to do it is to find really aesthetic emojis. The best way to do this is to go over to the site called emojipedia.org. This will have a lot of emojis, and most of these are supported by Discord in their channel names. For truly aesthetics, I really prefer the cherry. Just type in cherry in the search bar, and as you can see, you can copy paste this cherries emoji, the blossom, and the white flower, which look really nice in my opinion. Finally, I have one more technique for you that can surely bump up the aesthetic of your Discord server. As you might notice over here in the top, you'll see that we actually have an animated emoji playing in our rules. A lot of people have been asking me about how I do this, because if you simply put smile into the channel name or channel topic, you'll see that it will show. But if you try to put in a custom emoji into the channel topic, it won't actually work. So here's how you can do it. If you have Discord Nitro, simply select the custom emoji that you like. For example, let's say I want to put in this smile emoji. Next, I'm going to put in the backslash and press enter. As you can see here, this will give you the code that actually codes directly for the emoji. All you have to do is copy paste this into your channel name, and it will work for custom and animated emojis, and it will play inside of the channel topic. However, please note that this feature is not supported on Discord. If this doesn't work properly, it's mainly because Discord does not support this as an official feature. It's just a bypass that some people have been using. So that's it. I hope this was really clean, and I hope it improves your Discord server. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button. That's it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.